everyone, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, if you haven't noticed already, Manscaped is back again. Man, I feel like a sellout. All right, so here's the scoop. We're gonna get to the bare bones of the situation, all right? Manscaped came back to me, all right? Me and them have gone back and forth, let's say for the past year. You guys know the drama. But in business, you never burn bridges, all right? You always stay positive. You always be the better man, all right? So we worked everything out. They wanted me to do a review on their 3.0. So in Scott Barnes fashion, we're gonna do a little twist. Now, I've already done a full-on 2.0 shaving everything type of a video. That sucker blasted out. I got a crazy amount of views. Manscaped benefited off it. I got nothing out of it, but whatever. It was a learning experience, right? Now with this video being sponsored by Manscaped, we are going to switch it up. We're gonna see if the 3.0 can do a good job on the beard. Not only that, we've got the razor as well that Manscaped supplies. So we're gonna do a nice trim up. We're gonna do a cleanup of the beard. We're gonna do the neck. We're gonna do the ear line. We're gonna see how well this can pay attention to detail. Now let's dive into the swag that Manscaped always provides. Now they did give me one before. I might actually give this one away. Why not? Let's try it. Hit me up on that Instagram. Send me a message. If you guys want, I'll give this away. Next one up, they actually gave me a pair of chonies, all right? We got Manscaped chonies, and on top of that, a shirt to go as long. With all that, let's dive into the Lawnmower 3.0 that is Manscaped. Now with your kit, you're gonna get a few things. First, the initial clippers, all right? It's a little larger than the 2.0. Same battery life, 90 minutes, 90-minute charge. Comes with a USB with a AC adapter, which I am so glad they threw in, and also a charging port too if you wanna leave it by your sink. Now, one thing I do wanna stress, which is kind of interesting, what we're gonna challenge ourselves today is the guard that they have attached with it. Now, the clippers itself is a solid base. It's waterproof. It has the charging port on the bottom, has the clippers on top that we can adjust 1 or 2 lengths. And of course, we have our light for our charging and our notification that it's on or off. That being said, let's go ahead and charge this up. Let's start cutting and see what it's got. Now with this video, we're gonna be bringing out the razor as well. Now this is Manscaped's Plow Razor. They have a newer version. This is their older version about from a year or so ago, but same concept. It's a safety razor. We're gonna clean up the neck. It's in due time. I need this. This is a great way to catch up with the Joneses. We're gonna look nice. We're gonna look good. So let's bring these out. We're gonna bring the shaving cream out. Everything's great. I got a mirror, so let's just bring everything out and let's start shaving. Now for you guys that don't know how to line up the neckline, the beard, I'll just show you a quick couple tips, all right? Let's do the hangman's noose. We're gonna cut from under the neck all the way under, but we're gonna leave under our chin with the hair, all right? So we're just gonna make a nice neckline right under. We're gonna use the handy dandy Plow, all right, safety razor. If you guys haven't used them before, it's pretty easy. We're just gonna ride the skin, get the angle right. We got our mirror, that way we can't screw up. Start from the side, we'll come down, and we're good to go. I can do it all. It's a gift, you guys. I tell you, straight lines all the way, and that's due because of the straight razor. And once again, why I really tend to not use the multi-blade. You can't get that line, the angle, unless you use a straight razor like the Plow, or for myself, I do like an angled straight razor. So this worked out great. Now with proper technique and good precision, you're gonna have a great line in your cut, all right? Look how well everything turned out. Not too bad. I don't think I got any nicks. And that's once again why I love the straight razor. Now that we're done with the neck, let's dive into the beard. A couple things I want to address. One is the offset of the clipper itself. So we're not gonna get all the way down to the skin. There's going to be just a little bit of stubble, which is awesome for me, just in between. Second, we have the guard. So in technicality, we have 3 settings. We have the lowest, then we have our second, which is going to be the middle on this one, and then the third is going to be all the way out. So that way we have 3 settings. So that being said, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be starting from the jawline and we're gonna work ourselves up and fade, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna go into the beard. I always use this middle spot as my fade point. That way we know that's the lowest and shortest part on the beard. So my recommendation for you guys, I always like to go long. You can never bring back what you cut off. So go long, we'll go on the side, and we'll right up. For right now, this is a great length. I'm not gonna actually go any shorter than this. This is the longest that the guard goes, and I'm actually really happy with the length. So we did both sides, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna now start fading from the shortest part right up into the ear line, all right? We can just go ahead and hover just a little bit, and just bring it up. And then we can always pull down on the skin and just give the hair a little bit to come out. That's the other side. And if we get both sides nice and even, this is a great way to blend the sideburns right into the side of the hair. And right when we do our line right now, everything will look nice and blended. Now this is a great time, we'll take off our guard. Now for me, this is a little bit of a advanced move here, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our clippers and we're gonna ride the ear. Just like we ride the mustache, we're just gonna lay the clippers on the ear and we're just gonna come down and we're gonna ride it right on the line, and then that way everything will line up. You can already tell right here that we got some extra hair, and you can always bring it out with your hands. You can always brush it out. So we'll take it, we'll ride it. And the same on the other side. Take it, ride the ear, come on down. Now for me, this is one of the most important lines to really detail. This shows us that we're really on point with our ears, and everything looks really nice and lined up when it comes down into the sideburns, into the jaw, and into the neck. I'm a big line guy. I think it just looks fun. It looks good. You know, there's a point where you're crossing the line. No pun intended. But for what we got, I mean, we've lined everything up. We've trimmed everything up. The last thing I'd like to do is let's actually hit the soul patch and the beard. That way we've completed everything. The mustache, I'm gonna kind of leave that one alone. I've got a little bit of quandary with that big boy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull out the mirror again, and what I wanna do is I wanna clean up the soul patch, and then I wanna just clean up the little edge of the beard right here. I'm gonna claw it down. All right, you did it. So it looks like Manscaped doesn't only do your jewels, but we can also use them for our tools when it comes to our beards, our mustaches, and our hair, when it comes to blending, trimming, and cutting. And I want this to be an example for you guys that sometimes we might not have the best equipment, but we can use with what we got. That being said, when it comes to Manscaped, it's a good product. You know, there's so many different out there. I can't put that this is the best or that's top tier. In all honesty, they all do a great job. It's what company do you want to be supporting? So in the end, it cut, it trimmed, it faded well, it did its job. I want you guys to go out there, do your research, do what you like to do. It's personal preference. I just provide the content. So I just want to say thanks for everybody over at Manscaped for letting me do this review. I always like switching it up. I'm never the norm. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like what I did, if you guys want me to switch it up. And there might be a fun surprise around the corner with Manscaped. Wait, I wasn't supposed to say that. So with that being said, stick around. Manscaped's got a product they haven't released yet, so I'm super pumped to blast that one out. So like always, you guys like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!